Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Unity Trust Bank account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your default browser and search Unity Trust Bank Login. Once you make search, you'll find online bank login under Unity Trust Bank. Just click here. Now, as you can see, you are already redirected to the official page of Unity Trust Bank. All you have to do is look on the top right corner of your screen and you'll find login. Just click here. Now, you are already redirected to the login portal where you simply have to enter your credentials, that includes your username and your password. First, enter your username and click continue and enter your password and log in. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.